Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to use the AI X agent. To begin, type/start in the chat and press enter. The bot will respond with a welcome message and present you with 4 options to configure your settings. Setting X credentials, managing your project details, viewing or managing your posts, and configuring your post frequency. First, let's set up your X credentials. Click on Set X Credentials. Here, you'll need to provide your bearer token, consumer key, consumer secret, access token, and access token secret. To obtain these, click on the link provided in the bot's prompt and set up your credentials in the X Developer console. Make sure to select the read and write access level when creating the credentials, as this is crucial for the bot to function properly. Once you have your credentials, click on each field, paste the respective token or key, and send it to the bot. Next, manage your project details. Click on Set Project Details. Here you can provide essential information about your project, such as your Telegram link, chart link, website, token contract, blockchain network, and any additional details. Select each field you want to update, type the information, and send it to the bot. This information will be used to generate posts. Then explore the Posts section. Click on Posts to see all your queued posts. Each post is displayed with options to edit it or post it immediately. You can also add a new post manually by typing the content or let the bot generate a post for you. To generate a post, click on Generate Post. The bot will create a new post based on the details you've provided, keeping in mind the posts already created, ensuring that it avoids repetition. The new post will then be added to your queue automatically. Finally, configure how often you'd like the X agent to post for you. Click on Set Frequency. The bot will show your current setting and prompt you to enter a number between 0 and 17. This number represents how many posts you want per day. For example, entering 12 will schedule the bot to post approximately every 2 hours. If you set the frequency to 0, the bot will not post automatically, and you'll need to post manually. If you've set a post frequency greater than 0, the bot will automatically post from your queue at regular intervals. This means you can keep your social media active without any manual effort. You're now ready to use the X-Agent bot to manage your social media posts and project details effectively. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy posting!